Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to Grabie. Have you ever heard of Grabie before? Well, they do have subscription boxes which are amazing. And today I wanted to share with you the latest subscription box named Threads of Time. Now, I have used Grabie products in the past. I think I've been using their products for at least 3 years now, and I'm telling you right now, I'm always so happy to promote their products. I was so excited to receive a Stitch in Time subscription book because you know that I do enjoy sewing. So instead of going one by all the items that are in this subscription box, let me read them out to you. So first, you're going to have Serenity textured paper pack, scalloped wood ruler, black and white floral lace pack, precision paper cutter pen, and a double-sided adhesive dot runner. And last but not least, wooden coconut shell button pack. It's everything you need to get started on your journey, celebrating everything that has to do with textiles and sewing, knitting, everything that you like to do. And I really enjoy Grabie's products. If you've been on this channel, you've seen I've had the Halloween Grabie subscription book and the Christmas subscription book, as well as many others. And I really appreciate, look at the paintings. Let's start out with the fact that they're looking at the history of fashion with these incredible paintings that you can actually just pull out of this book and use them in a frame, and it's beautiful. But now here are some backgrounds that you can use of different textures, silks, and again, more paintings. And there's just no limit to what you can do with all these. Now look at these cutouts. If you love to create journal books with these cutouts of fashion, look at this. Oh my goodness. You can create a whole Bridgerton theme, or if you want to create a Jane Austen theme, so much that you can do. Just so beautiful. And look at these papers. The hardest thing for me with these papers, I'm having an issue right there with that orange and black and the blue and white, because I would love to use both of them. And now we're going to go into denim. Who doesn't love denim? And I just love this because I think this is such a perfect texture for spring and summer. Who doesn't like wearing their jeans in the summertime, their jean shorts and their little denim jackets and what have you? So much that you can do. Lace, of course, we all love lace, and you know us shabby chic girls have to have our lace. Look at these beautiful vellum papers, absolutely gorgeous. I am looking forward to creating a lot with these items, and I love these little frames as well. Just so much to do with lace. Look at those little collars, and these are actual little envelopes that you can create. Next, we have wool. So if you like to knit and you like to crochet, or if you like to embroider, look at the sewing machines, everything. Just so much stuff. Here's sewing. I love the sewing segment. And I really love, and there's a kitty cat shadow right there. I really love all the dress forms and the vintage sewing machines and the scraps of fabric that look like they're actual fabric. So you can use this in your scrapbook, and it's just going to be adorable. I love them all. And of course, some of these are stickers. Again, look at these beautiful papers. This is like a leather looking like paper. All of these tags that you can create. And look at all those rulers and measuring tapes. Just fantastic. And if you want flat buttons, you have those too. And these are all little stitches that you can use as stickers. Now, every Grabie subscription box has a little bookmark, these magnetic bookmarks, and you can collect them all. There's 6 or 12 that you can collect, and they're so wonderful to use with your stick it book. Cut out and stick it book, Threads of Time. So here are all the items that I mentioned earlier. Now let's see what we can create. I fell in love with this little denim card. It's in cardstock, and you can just punch it out. It's great. And I thought this would be a cute little Valentine's Day card. Now, I'm not too particular with regards to the zebra stripes, but that's okay because I covered it up and then I used a sticker to create a little message there at the corner. I loved it because it had those little red heart buttons on the printed cardstock paper. Now, and I'm so silly because I'm using my glue stick and I forgot that I had my glue dot pen, which would have been so much easier. But here I'm just creating a little pocket, and I tried to make sure using the scissor, I'm trying to make space in the pocket so I can slip something in. Now, once that's glued down to the paper, now I'm going to add a little message that just says, I love you. It's the cutest little thing. And I thought for Valentine's Day, this was perfect. Next, I'm going to use my cut out and stick it book and create a cute little sewing box. What I had for the sewing box was this little cute little wooden box. It's an oval box. And I'm sorry I had it off camera, but there you can see that I'm adding some of the beautiful papers from my book. Now all I'm doing is just creating a little, I guess a collage of these beautiful papers. They do remind me of very shabby chic kind of patterns with the little flowers. Here I'm using one of the measuring tapes to put on the side of my little box, and I think this is just so adorable. Finishing off the top of the box, I'm just going to add a tag and some other items, I believe, just to finish it off. And I think it just will make such a cute little sewing box to have in my craft room or in my bedroom, or maybe I'll have it in the car. But it'll have all my little essential items like spools of thread and a little scissors, some buttons, and of course some needles, just to have it handy. Now here's the bottom of the box. And again, I'm using Mod Podge to decoupage the paper onto this balsa wood oval box. It's balsa wood. And I just love it. But I really, really love it even more with this beautiful pattern. I love these soft floral patterns that were in the book. Again, there's something for everyone in these cut out and stick it collage books. And especially if you do enjoy everything having to do with fashion and fabric. Now I'm using just the bottom of another page to capture that beautiful lace on that polka dotted green fabric. And look at these beautiful stickers. I just fell in love with these stickers. I think the biggest problem, and these are like washi stickers, so they are so fun. I think my biggest problem is actually using this stuff. Aren't you the kind of person that kind of hoards your craft stash because you love things so much, you like keeping them in your stash? But that's not what they're there for. They're there to be used. So I love the fact that everything is contained in this book, and I could just flip through the books, which is so much easier than pulling out envelope after envelope of different items and articles that I can use in my paper crafting. This is everything right here at my fingertips, and I know that I can find what I need within the same theme. There's even bows, there's flowers, there's a little bit of everything, and it's just so much fun. Again, if you have someone that's just starting out in crafting, this is a great way to get them really involved in paper crafting, and also fun activity book for you to take with you anywhere you go. So there's my little box completed, but let me show you once again the Grabie website. There's so much you can find. If you're into paper crafting, you please introduce yourself to the Grabie website, because there's everything from pens, watercolors, paints, everything you need, especially the paper crafting products. And I know as our local stores close in many areas where we get a lot of our paper crafting supplies, it's good to know that you can come to Grabie and find everything you need. And these subscription boxes are so much fun. As you may or may not know, I do work for a nonprofit organization that helps to support underserved communities. This is one of the reasons why I also support Grabie. Grabie has what they call the Grabbie Art Fund, where purchases help fund the donation of art supplies to partner organizations who provide art therapy programs to people in underserved communities. They understand the healing powers of creative expression through art, and their passion is a way to support mental health. Please check in my description down below so you can find a way to not only express yourself, but help others to heal. All the information are in the links down below in my description, and look forward to more Grabie promotions. Thanks again for stopping by. If you enjoyed this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you, and live the adventure. See you soon.